Sanibonani, dumelang, ninjani bakwethu, ngiyaphila, ngiyathemba nani niyaphila. I hope you guys are good. I'm good, guys. Guys, is the Betway Premiership race over? Is the Betway Premiership title over for Orlando Pirates? I'm asking this because we are looking at the results, right? Of the last night matches, right? Remember last night there were Betway Premiership matches that took place, right? Where Mamelodi Sundowns were hosting Amazulu, right? And Orlando Pirates were visiting Stellenbosch, right? Stellenbosch Football Club, right? That team is proven to be a voodoo or a hoodoo team for Orlando Pirates, right? So of course, both Orlando Pirates, here's a context. Mamelodi Sundowns are currently number one, right? Before this match, the last night matches, Mamelodi Sundowns were number one, right? And Orlando Pirates were number two in the log. But the point difference was 16 points, with Orlando Pirates having 4 games in hand, right? So that's what the context of the matches coming into last night matches, right? So Mamelodi Sundowns hosting Amazulu. Mamelodi Sundowns emerged as winners, 2-0 winners, right? Mamelodi Sundowns defeated Amazulu by 2-0, right? And Orlando Pirates played to a goalless draw against Stellenbosch Football Club, right? Meaning Orlando Pirates were unable to win, right? So if you look at the log table, right? At the log table, that coming to these matches, Mamelodi Sundowns were already leading by 16 points, right? So now with Mamelodi Sundowns winning their match last night and Orlando Pirates only drawing, meaning Mamelodi Sundowns accumulated 3 points and Orlando Pirates could only accumulate 1 point, right? Could only accumulate 1 point. So this means now it adds, right? It adds from that point gap, right, between the two teams. From 16 points, it is now to 18 points, the gap, right? So now as we speak, Mamelodi Sundowns are leading Orlando Pirates by a whooping 18 points, right? And Mamelodi Sundowns, they've got 8 matches left, right? Only 8 games left for Mamelodi Sundowns. Then if Orlando Pirates have got 12 matches left, right? And the two teams are playing each other on Sunday, right? On Sunday, the two teams are playing each other. Orlando Pirates are hosting Mamelodi Sundowns at FNB Stadium on Sunday, the 16th of March, right, at 3:30, right? So what we are having it means the league title could be decided this week, if it's not decided already, right? So I'm asking, do you guys think Orlando Pirates can still catch up with Mamelodi Sundowns? Do you guys think Orlando Pirates can still catch Mamelodi Sundowns? Right. If you guys think yes, they can still, what gives you that impression? Right. When you look in terms of how Orlando Pirates are playing in terms